Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to construct a 360-degree angle. Start by drawing a straight line of any length, and mark 3 points on it, A, C, and B, as shown. Place your compass at point A, open it to point C, and draw a circle. Using the same radius, mark 6 points on the circumference. Each arc represents 60 degrees. Six 60-degree angles together make 360 degrees. As shown. This is how to construct a 360-degree angle without a protractor. This is the reason why we say a complete circle gives 360 degrees. Now, let me inform you that our advanced student report card generator, created in Excel, is now available. You can download it through the link in the description section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.